Hello, I'm Michael Cho. I'm an environmental data scientist at UKCH. In the next few minutes, I will talk about why I would like to be an SSI fellow. I'm originally from Hong Kong. I did my first and second degrees in the USA. Then I moved to Lancaster to pursue a PhD. I've been in my current role for 3.5 years. My work is all about maximizing the value of environmental data that captures my PhD research topic on enhancing the value of geophysical data. It also captures my job description as an environmental data scientist at UKCH to add value to the environmental data that's been generated from public funding. I'm an active interdisciplinary earth and environmental scientist. My role involves developing and using software in the remit of across earth and environmental sciences. I use machine learning and statistical models as well as process models. Particularly, I'm looking at ways to couple different process models, such as groundwater flow model and a geophysical model. My role also concerns helping users to make better use of data. So I've developed a few Python and R web apps to allow users to visualize environmental model outputs and citizen science data. And I don't just code software, I also write and talk about them. Lots of my work is about advocating best practice for open software and data, particularly in ways that are easily accessible to environmental scientists. So I've written a few ebooks on sharing data with web apps. I've also written an article recently to the R Journal on different ways to use computational notebooks. I've been running a few workshops and training on reproducible research tools, such as version controls, notebooks, and virtual labs. I've also contributed to several workshops this summer. Currently, I'm organizing a one-day UK Geo Plus Code meetup in Liverpool in November with an SSI fellow, Mio Ueda. This event is co-sponsored by Software Underground. So here are my fellowship plans. The main focus of the fellowship will be creating a short ebook that aims at master's and PhD students. My aim is to plant the idea and practice of open software and data early on in their career. This would promote research software and data as an output. That's something we at UKCH has been working quite hard the past couple of years. And this work will welcome input from the SSI community, and there will be synergy with other resources such as the Turing project, the environmental data science book. And finally, as a live document, it's quite good for it to document what has been happening during the duration of the fellowship. And this book will evolve as we get feedback from readers. And I've also planned free workshops and training that will be based on the materials of the book. I'll try to speak to incoming PhD and master students and supervisors as they start. I choose to speak in Lancaster, where hopefully I'll also have a PhD student starting as well. Another opportunity to speak would be at a summer school event. I'm involved in the data science and natural environment summer school this year. There'll be a great opportunity to speak to a wider group of students and researchers. Finally, I feel that the idea of open data and research software needs to be promoted globally. We need to encourage the global research community to both use and contribute to open research software. I plan to run online training at 2 partner universities, Wuhan University in China and Chinese University of Hong Kong. I plan to have some good chats with colleagues there to see if there are any barriers for them to contribute to open research software. The last item of the fellowship will be the second edition of the UK Geophysical meetup. I really want to foster this collaborative link and develop open software culture and best practice within this domain. I plan to host the event in Lancaster, as we can probably provide a free venue. We'll make use of the NERF Data Lab cloud platform to promote collaborative research. And here, just to cross-track my plans with the SMART objectives, each of the events has a specific target audience. I've given a clear estimate on cost and outcome. I think the plans are very achievable given the synergy of my current job and the synergy between tasks. I think the activities are revenue SSI, and I think they are quite doable within the 15-month period. And the ebook will help others to take this further in the future. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing back from you soon.